Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to change Pokemon Go language, okay? Now you can see my language is in Spanish. If I want to change my language to English, I need going in the top options, settings. Now the second options in generals or generales, touch here, and the first option is language, idioma. And you can see settings for two dispositive mobile, okay? You can see those here and select your language that you prefer, okay? In this thing I want prefer English. Save change and the game is charged again, okay? And this is all for this video. Sorry for my English, is really awful, but now you can see your Pokemon Go is in English, okay? Sorry for my bad English. I want to try and speak English, okay? And this is all for this video. Have a good day. No, don't forget my like. Thank you.